Hi, I am back with another channeled message. In your twin flame journey, it happens, when you are going through a separation pain, you only see, you see the illusion, and then you only can feel that sadness, that suffering, that disappointment, and you feel like those are true, and you feel like you are not going to come out of it. And the uh, the most painful thing that you hold on to, that it's only you who is going through this pain. You need to understand that it's your soul that is going through a awakening process, and your heart is opening up. It's breaking all the darkness and opening up, and you feel during that process you actually release grief, and you feel like you are actually experiencing grief, and your twin flame is not there. So today I want to channel, when you are experiencing this grief, this feeling of grief, how on the other side your twin flame is feeling, and what he wants to communicate to you through this message. So just drop into your heart and see what the message is bringing to you, and just receive that love. You are doing this work with your twin flame. You are not alone, not at all alone, and both of you are doing this together to be with God. The whole purpose of this journey to come in harmonious union with God, both of you together with God. Okay, so you are not doing this work alone. You are with your twin flame, and God is there with you. So I will channel the first message, what your twin flame wants to say when you are experiencing this grief. Just connect with your part, and part that is experiencing grief. The message that is coming up is, sometimes it's okay if the only thing you did today was breathe. Okay, I'll read it again. Sometimes it's okay if the only thing you did today was breathe. Okay, how do you feel this thing about when you are going through the release of grief, and you don't see any hope that he is coming back or she is coming back, and you don't see any ray of hope? In that situation also, your twin flame is actually sending you the vibration of compassion here. He is saying it's okay in the grief, in the process of releasing grief, because when you are also releasing grief, you are feeling that grief. So it doesn't mean that there is something actually wrong happening with you. Your twin flame is telling you it's okay. It's okay in all the day. If you have just taken, like, just done breathing, that's okay. Be compassionate to yourself. It's okay to take rest. Okay, when you are experiencing those separation feeling, and you are like you are releasing that, it's okay to take rest and be compassionate to yourself. And I will add on to that, is like, when you are going through that, you can always support yourself by nourishing yourself, by caring yourself, because that's exactly what you desire from your twin flame, and you will receive that when you give that to yourself. Okay, so give all that nourishment, all that caring to yourself, and you deserve that. And it's okay. It's okay. Be easy on yourself when you are going through this. You can do this, absolutely. taking you to the second message, what God is trying to tell you through your, or even your twin flame is trying to tell you in this moment. The message is like strong, it's like just one person is asking another. Maybe you can visualize your twin flame is asking you, strong, are you strong? The answer is coming, no, no, my friend. I am far from it. What you seeing is simply a weak person with a very strong God. How you feel, it's like, you get all your strength with God. That's why your twin flame always direct you to feel that your source is God, your strength is God, and exactly here He is guiding you. Even if in this moment of separation, in the moment of grief, you can still feel strong. When you are actually feeling like it is weak outside, you can really feel strong because you have God. Okay, and this is exactly a twin flame energy, because you are building a relationship with God. You are not building a relationship with twin flame. You need to see the difference. Here you are not trying to build a relationship with your twin flame. You are building a relationship with God, and your twin flame is a reflection of that relationship. And your twin flame is guiding you very nicely through this message. You will be very strong because you have God. Okay? How do you feel? This is such a profound message. Having God is like everything. Anything, any upset that comes up, you being with God is like you can just get over it. All that you have to do is be in union with God. You will just get over it in no time. Okay, so I will take you through the last message, what your twin flame energy is trying to guide you through this pain of separation, through this feeling of grief. Okay, it's a very beautiful message. God is not punishing you, He is preparing you. Trust His plan, not your pain. This is exactly, we also constantly pass on this message. The pain that you are seeing outside is actually an illusion. That pain is not real. You are feeling scared and you are not trying to go into that pain, but the truth is, once you go into that pain and heal that, you will not feel that you are punished. God is literally not at all punishing you through this experience of pain. God is actually preparing you to trust His plan. There is a very beautiful life when you come out of this fear of pain, and God actually planning that path, and so that you experience that beautiful life with your twin flame. So don't get stuck in the feeling of pain. It's just an illusion and holding you back from manifesting your harmonious union. You can heal just by tapping into that pain and coming over it. God has a very beautiful plan for it. You are building a relationship of deep trust with God. So trust that. Thank you. Thank you very much.